A jumbo pen light from LitezAll that's nearly invincible? Actually, yes. Let's take a closer look. The battery-powered nearly invincible jumbo pen light is 7 3/4 inches tall by 1 1/4 wide and 1.5 inches deep. It weighs in at 1/2 pound, and it feels sturdy in hand, thanks to its all aerospace-grade aluminum construction. The addition of a rubber top, middle, and base add to the durability of this light, combined with IPX3 weather resistance and being drop tested to just over 19.5 feet. The LitezAll Nearly Invincible Jumbo Pen Light is as versatile as it is durable. It features a front-facing inspection flashlight plus 3 wide-angle light modes, all easily selected with one switch. The flashlight is 120 lumens with a 12-hour runtime and 225-foot light throw. Side beam light modes include high at 450 lumens with a 9-hour runtime and 160-foot light throw, low at 170 lumens with a 14-hour runtime and 74-foot light throw, plus an emergency red flashing mode. The light is powered by 3 AA alkaline batteries, and replacing them is easy. Simply unscrew the battery compartment cap at the base of the light, slide the expired batteries out, and replace them with 3 new AA alkaline batteries, positive or nub end first. Tighten the battery compartment cap snugly, but don't over-tighten it. The Nearly Invincible Jumbo Pen Light is equipped with a heavy-duty slotted metal clip. The slots allow you to hang the light on protruding nails or screws, and the clip is flexible enough to accommodate thick pockets on work clothes. An integrated strong magnet at the base of the light holds it firmly in any direction on smooth, metal, rust-free surfaces. Raised edges on the rubber sections help prevent unwanted rolling, plus assist in aiming light from a horizontal position. The LitezAll Nearly Invincible Jumbo Pen Light is built to perform in demanding work situations and is tough enough to withstand the day-to-day rigors of professional use.